Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about semantics and pragmatics. What is semantics and pragmatics and what are the basic differences between them? The subject matter of both semantics and pragmatics is derived from meaning. Meaning in linguistics is a very complex concept and it is debated since centuries. Because the words used in definition again need definition. The words which define meaning again need explanation and description. According to Paul, in his book Analyzing Meaning, he states that definition will be only successful if words used in definition are themselves well defined. But still, according to Reimer, we can define meaning as the idea or intention lying behind a piece of language. The study of meaning gives rise to two types of meaning. The study of meaning and the study of meaning in use. One is semantics while the other is pragmatics. What is pragmatics? Pragmatics is meaning beyond words. It's invisible and contextualized. Pragmatics concerned with meaning what we see and understand, that is, meaning beyond words. Pragmatics is more connotative, it's more connotative meaning. If you don't know what is connotative and denotative, you can check the link in the I button and description. Let's make it clear from the example. For example, your car is in no parking zone and a police officer approaches and tell you that why are you in no parking, and you respond that my car has a flat tire. The message flat tire communicating second message means that I am on no parking because my vehicle tire is out of order. Now this is the meaning beyond words. It is the invisible meaning in the word flat tire. This is called pragmatics. The semantics is concerned with only exact and literal meaning. It is decontextualized, visible and universal. It is literal, actual and denotative study of meaning. Semantics is just the meaning imparted by grammar and vocabulary. Now we will differentiate semantics and pragmatics, and then in the last we will explain it with the help of example. Then it will be easy for you to understand. Here I will narrate some key points from semantics and some for pragmatics. I will advise you that if you can write all the key points of semantics and pragmatics, and then you will compare it later on. Let's first come to some points from semantics. Semantics refers to the meaning of words in a language and meaning within sentence. Semantics deal with the meaning of sentence without context. Semantics deal with meaning that grammar and vocabulary impart. It doesn't deal with the implied meaning. Semantics focuses on three things: relation of objects denoted by them, relation of words to the interpreters of them in symbolic language, formulation of signs to one another. It is concerned with only exact literal meaning of word and interrelation. Semantics is a literal meaning, it's actual and denotative study of meaning. it is visible meaning. Semantics deal with relation of words. In short, semantics deals with visible, decontextualized, universal meaning of words. It deals with meaning in our mind and meaning imparted by grammar and vocabulary. Semantics invites a force on truth conditions without regard to communication and context. So these are some points from semantics. Now let's come to the points of pragmatics. Pragmatic meaning looks at same words in grammar used semantically except within the context. In semantics, the meaning is universal, it is decontextualized. But in pragmatics, context is important. Meaning is changing by context. In every context, the meaning differ. Listeners in the conversation define ultimate meaning of words. Pragmatics focuses on inferred meaning that speakers and listeners perceive. Pragmatics meaning mapped of semantic meaning contextually determined dependent on speaker intention. It is contextual, connotative, and the study of meaning in use. Pragmatics deals with the relation of word and interpretation of context. Pragmatics is the study of meaning from point of view and use. In short, pragmatics is the study of meaning which deals with the study of invisible, contextualized and connotative meaning. It deals with meaning depending on the speaker intention. Pragmatics involve how speakers use language in contextualized social interaction. Now let's come to example. For example, you are at your friend's house and the window of room is open. You say to your friend that there is very cold outside. Semantically, you are referring to temperature, that there is very cold outside. But pragmatically, you are telling your friend to close the window. So that's all about semantics and pragmatics. In video, we briefly went through what is semantics, what is pragmatics, what are the differences between them, and we also describe it with the help of example. I hope that the video will be helpful and the video will be able to make clear your mind on the topics of semantics and pragmatics and what is the differences and relation between them. Thank you very much.